Number 19G. Area of this trapezoid is 250 square inches. The formula for the area of a trapezoid is area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Information that I have the area, 250. I've got this 1/2. Base 1 is 15. Base 2 I do not have, but the height I do have. So I have all of the variables except for one, so I should be able to solve for it. By the way, very quickly here, it does not matter what order you multiply. Okay, so this is just a little side trail here. Okay, I'll get rid of it in a second. The order of multiplying. If I say 2 times 3 times 4, it doesn't matter what order you multiply this in. If I did the 2 times the 3 first, right, I would get 6 times 4, which is 24. Now, if somebody else said, well, I'm going to do the 2 times the 4 first, 8 times 3 then would be 24. It doesn't matter. In fact, you could do 2 times 3 times 4. You could do the 3 times the 4 first, 12. 2 times 12 is. So the order of multiplication does not matter. The reason why I say this and show this is because if you look right here, I've got 1/2 times this parenthesis times 12. It doesn't matter what order I multiply in, so I would multiply the 1/2 times the 12 first. That's going to make my problem just a little bit easier. Okay, 1/2 times 12, because I can do that in my head fairly simply. Once I get to this point, now it's time to solve. I could distribute the 6, or I could go ahead and get rid of the 6 by dividing both sides by 6. It doesn't matter. Again, either way will work if you follow the rules. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 6 now. Actually, you know what? I'm not. I'm going to multiply by 6. I'm going to distribute that 6 like this. So we got 250 equals, and then 6 times 15 would be 90. 6b. Subtract 90. 250 minus 90. I really don't want to do that in my head, but let's see here. 250 by divided, or I'm sorry, minus 90. If it was minus 100, it would be 150, but it's only minus 90, so 160. I hope that's right. And I'm not going to do this in my head. 160 divided by 6. 160 divided by 6 is 26.6 repeating. So we go back here, we say, okay, so this side here must be, and I got 26.6 repeating. So I could average out 26.7 inches. 26.6 repeating could also be written this way, 26 2/3 inches. Either one I would have been fine with.